If you've used other programming languages before, you've probably seen something like this, or self-used inside a class or object. In JavaScript, this works the same way, most of the time. At its core, this refers to the object it belongs to. So if you have a person object with a getFullName method, this .firstName and this .lastName just refer to the fields on that same object. Simple, intuitive, exactly what you'd expect. But here's where JavaScript gets interesting. This doesn't always refer to the same thing. It changes depending on where you use it. Inside an object method, this is the object. In the browser global context, this is the window. Inside an arrow function, this is inherited from the parent scope, which can sometimes be undefined. That last one catches a lot of developers off guard. Arrow functions don't have their own this. They borrow it from wherever they were defined. That's powerful in the right situation, but confusing if you don't know it's happening. The rule is simple. Only use this when you're sure what this actually is. When in doubt, debug first.